What's up guys, in this particular video I'm going to be showing you 3 amazing websites I use personally to generate crop videos, and these videos I generate them completely for free. So I'm going to be showing you these 3 websites I use and also tell you the trick I use to get my videos generated unlimitedly without me having to pay heavily for it. So without further ado, let's just go straight into the tutorial. Hello everyone, you're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. So this is the first website we are going to be checking out in this particular tutorial. I'll be pinning the link to this particular website in the comment section. Just check it out. So now once you're here, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to just quickly sign up to an account. So you will see get started here. So what you need to do is just to click on get started to create an account. So once you click on get started, it will require you to log in using your Google account. So I'm going to quickly just do that on my own end. So I'm going to log into fresh new accounts I've not used on this particular website. So I'll be doing that now. All right, I've gone ahead to log in to create a new account, log into a new account on this particular website. So now for all the websites I'm going to be showing you in this video, I'm going to be creating a new account to show you how it goes. So now you can see from this is the once you create an account, it's going to bring you to your dashboard. Now from here you can see a lot you can do with this particular website. You can see from here all the whole tax models. That's just trying to tell you all the things you can do with this. So if you can search for anyone here, let's say you want to use Grok, you can just search for it here directly. Grok. So let me just search for Grok. So once I search for Grok, you can see we have Grok imagine here. So I'm going to just click on try it. So once I click on try it, it's going to redirect me and open the page for me. So once you click on Grok, it should bring you to an interface like this. So now the next thing you're going to do is you can see on this particular side, you can see you remove image here. So I already have my prompt and I also already have my image I want to make use of. But if you don't have an image to use, you can just make use of prompts directly and the AI will automatically just generate something for you. But for this particular tutorial, I already have a sample image I want to use. I use ChatGPT to generate the image. So I'm going to just bring in the image. Let me just bring in this particular image. I've done a tutorial on this before. So on this, using this particular image. So let me just use it and for this tutorial also. So now from here I'm going to now just scroll down. Once you've added the image, you just scroll down. You can see where this place we have prompts. You're going to add your prompts here. I've already added my prompts. Now what you're going to just do is you can see under the mode you're going to leave it as normal, and if you scroll down, you're going to see we have the aspect ratio. I'm going to select this since that's what the image comes with. Now after doing that, I'm going to now click on where we have under the resolution. I'm going to just leave it as this for this since you see tutorials for tutorial 6. So I'm going to, after doing that, I'm going to now click on run. So once you click on run, you can see it's going to start processing your video. So now once you go up, if you check up, you're going to see that your video is generating. You're going to see that your video is generating. Then from here, you just need to do is just patiently wait. So I'm going to just wait for it to finish generating and I'll show you how the result of what is generated. So while we're waiting for this to finish generating the image, so let me quickly just go to the second website I'm going to be showing you in this video. So this is the second website we are going to be working with. As I said, I'll be pinning each of these links in the comment section, so you just check it out. So now once you're here, the next thing we are going to be doing, I'm going to just click on login. I'm going to try and log into an account. So I'm going to click on login. So I'm going to log into an account. So I'm going to be using Google. I'll just click on Google and log into using a Google account. So here is this. Once you log in, this is how the issue is going to bring you to an interface like this. So the next thing you're going to do, the next thing you're going to do is to come to where you have new project. Once you click on new project, it's going to bring you its use to somewhere like this. Click on workflow and it's going to take you to another page. So this is the page it's going to bring you to. So now we just forget how everything. So what you just need to do, you just to select everything and delete it. So I selected everything and I deleted it. So now on this plus icon here, you can just click on this plus icon. Then you can see what you can do. So you can enter node you want. So now what you're going to do is just to scroll down a little. Once you scroll down a little, you're going to see your video. So now, well, from here, we are going to be selecting the particular one we want to make use of. So for this particular one, I'm going to be making use of image to video because I already have my image. So now once you click on that, you're going to see, once you click on check on the canvas, you're going to see this is how it looks like. Now, what you're going to now do on this, you can see on this side, this is where we have the text where we can put in the prompts. So you can see this is where we are going to put in the prompts. So, and here is where the image is going to be. So now I'm going to now click on this side and bring in the image I want to use. So what you can see is uploading the image. So I'm going to add in the prompt I want to use. I want it to do here. So now I've added the prompt to this particular side. Now you can see when you check here, you're going to see if you're going to use, now you're going to see once you click here, you're going to see Grok. There are other models you can make use of, but I'm going to, for this video, remember we are dealing on Grok, how to show you how to use Grok. Now I'm going to select Grok. So once you select Grok, you can see this is how you're going to remember. As you create an account on this particular website, it gave you 70 carrots to use on this particular website. When you log in daily, you'll be given 20 credits also. And if you invite someone using your invitation code, that's if someone apply your invitation code, you will also be able to get free 50 carrots added to your account. The next thing you're going to do is just to click on run. So after this, I'm going to leave every other thing the way it is and just click on run. So you can decide to change the aspect ratio, but I'm going to just leave it the way it is and just click on run. So once you click on run, it's going to start processing your video. So you can see the video is processing. So while this is also processing, I'm going to go quickly just move ahead to the third website we are going to be using. So this is the third website we are going to be using. So once you're here, what you just need to do is just to click on start for free. So I'm going to quickly just log in. Once you click on start for free, it will require you to log in using a Gmail account. And one thing about this particular website is that it gives you free 30 credits every day. Once you log in and claim the credits, you can see once you log in, you will be seeing a notification like this. So once you click on claim, it's going to claim every 30 credits every day. So now I'm going to now click on start for free and log in. So I've quickly just logged into an account. So the next thing we are going to do, you can see once you log in, you'll see here. So now I'm going to come to where we have Grok. So just click on Grok. Now it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So once you just need to do is to scroll down a little, and you can see from here we have Grok video, and you can now specify the style of on this prompt. You can specify what. So I'm going to just paste in my prompt. So I pasted in my prompt here. The next thing you're going to do is just to scroll down a little. Once you scroll down a little, you can see these are like history, what I've done with this on this particular account before. This you will see all of them, the history over here. So once you've added your prompt, you scroll down, you can see on the resolution, select the resolution of what you want. So I'm going to now select the resolution and scroll down a little. Now you can see we have duration. So you can select the duration you want. So you can see on here we have 15 duration, 15 credits, and this 15 only is going to only cost me 16 credits. Now you can see what time I scroll up, you can see the more up can create up to 30 seconds. So you can see by the time I scroll, for this is just going to be something short. So I think 6 seconds should be okay. So I'm going to leave it at 6 seconds. So I'm going to leave it at 6 seconds, and you can see it only cost me 7 credits for this 6 seconds video. So now if you can now scroll down, you can see you can choose the quality you want if you want. So if you choose a higher quality, it's going to give you consume more credits. So I'm going for this tutorial, I'm going to just leave it the way it is. Then I'm going to now, you can see under the mode, you can leave it as normal. That's how I'm doing it. Then you can see I'm going to now click on generate. So once you click on generate, you can see your video is in queue. So you can see it's generated using Grok model. You can see say Grok video. So it's a Grok model is using. So let's just wait for it to finish generating. You can see it's generating. So once it's finished generating my video, I'm going to be playing it at the end of this video. So if you want access to Create Unlimitedly on this website, what you need to just do is to have like 3 to 5 different emails you'll be using. So what you just need to do, once you sign into the other one, that's just a tricky thing. When you sign in and sign out, sign into this account, you grab your points for that day, just your credits for that day, you use it, you sign out, sign into the second one. That's just the trick you just be doing, and you will see that you don't need to pay heavily for all this. In using this trick, you can at least be able to continue creating your videos without having to pay for it. So after my voice now, you're going to be seeing the next thing you're going to be seeing here is a different video this particular AI is generated for me.
Dad, I don't think I can do this anymore.
Then don't. We'll figure it out together, okay?
Dad, I don't think I can do this anymore.
Then don't. We'll figure it out together.
Okay, Dad.
Dad, I don't think I can do this anymore.
Then don't. We'll figure it out together.
Okay, Dad.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.